going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and I really hate to say this, but Noctua, you suck. Now, don't get me wrong, these guys right here, the NH-D15, they are absolute beast mode. I love them, and I'd love to try their huge passive cooler as well, but these guys right here, the NH-D9Ls, which are like $69 Canadian, when I did build 4 7900X CPU mining rigs, they absolutely suck. So here's the box, just so you can exactly see I'm not messing up the name. NH-D9L Noctua. So when I was building these rigs, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna rock some Noctua here. Maybe I could throw another fan on and make it worthwhile. But the point is, these things are $69 Canadian. And they're sitting at about 81, 82 degrees right now. Now the ambient temp is sitting about 30 degrees, so it is getting warm down here, but that's not the point. Because these guys, the Thermalright Assassin Kings 120 SEs, are only like 25 bucks, and they are way cooler, and on 7950Xs as well as 7950X3Ds, well, the Noctuas are hanging out on 7900Xs, mining the exact same coins, and they're getting blown away by these cheap as F coolers. Let's take a look at some temperatures, because summer is around the corner. It is a pretty warm day today, but it's still nowhere near peak of summertime will be. Alright, so here I am with my rigs, and I got a few of these CPU mining rigs right now, and we can see my 7900Xs are these 4 right here. Now this one, rig 31, it does keep rebooting. As we can see, it just rebooted 34 seconds ago. It's rebooting about every hour, so every time it hits around 85 degrees or so. I could up the voltages a little bit, but I don't have to when we're on normal temperatures, or I don't have to with any of the other coolers like I showed you, those cheap Peerless Assassin ones. So it's coming down to the cooler here and we're overheating. Let's take a look at rig 31 right here. We can see 80 degrees on rig 31 right now. Let's come up to rig 30, exact same cooler, 75 degrees. Let's come into rig 28 right here, 73 degrees. And now let's look at a 7950X with one of those cheap coolers. So here's rig 36. We're sitting at 67 degrees. Remember, these things are only $20 to $25 Canadian, which is like $12 to $15 USD, a very cheap cooler. This thing is 65, 7950X3D confirm. You can see it right there, so I'm not just making this up. More cores, more threads, more heat, and lower temperatures. So, you know, we can see that the Noctua coolers here really aren't doing very well at all, and that sucks. I'm gonna have to swap them out, but again, you know, I could buy 2 or 3 of the cheap ones to just one of these Noctua ones. Now we're CPU mining. Usually the cooler doesn't really matter because we are undervolting. We're running around base clocks or less for efficiency. We're not overclocking all these things. Everything isn't getting maxed out like you would when you're gaming. So I definitely not like to see this cooler on a gaming rig, because you'd probably melt down your house. All right, guys, so just a quick video. Boycott Noctua, or at least these coolers. Keep in mind, though, the NH-D15s are absolutely awesome, and they do perform well. But when it comes to 7900X and a lot of 7000 series, AM5, do not use these ones. They are absolutely horrible. So I am going to have to order some of the other ones and swap these all out, because summer is coming, and I don't want my rigs going down all the time. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I will have links to those other coolers that perform very well and are very cheap if you're looking to build a CPU mining rig. See you on the next one. Rabid out.